Good morning, beautiful people. It's another day and another dollar. As you see, markets are not pretty, but we're going to take advantage of this ugliness in the markets. There's a lot of headlines and a lot of red days ahead of us and a lot of green days ahead of us. Doesn't change anything. We're still going to learn, we're still going to adapt, and we're still going to trade this market. Do not sell your long-term trades. Keep them. Take whatever pennies you have. Come with me. Let's day trade. I'm going to show you guys a tutorial from A to Z how to trade this market. So let's go.
All right, guys. So look, I'm going to show you guys a simple trading strategy. Look, everywhere you see a candle that looks like this, that's the candle I'm going to trade. Everywhere you see a candle that looks like this is a candle I'm going to trade, right? One more time. Everywhere you see a candle that looks like this, that's the candle I'm going to trade. I'm a scalper. I identify a pattern, I identify the candle and the momentum. That's it, right? Whether you're trading gold or Germany 40 or US Tech 100. So I'm going to pull up US Tech 100. I'm going to put up gold right here. And gold has a lot of volatility. And I'm going to pull up Germany 40. But I think gold is ready to crash in a way, pull back heavy. But I also see that Germany 40 is volatile. You will only trade first hour of market open always. Do not overdo it because that's how you lose your money. And look, most of you will be statistics because you will see that we make money, but then most of you will end up losing over time. So make sure, guys, not to substitute this style of trading for your long-term trades. If you're holding stocks, do not sell your stocks because you're red to try and make your money day trading. Don't be stupid is what I'm trying to tell you. And listen, if you're a virgin, by that I mean you're still new to the game, pay attention to this channel. Trading is not easy. You guys have lost so much money because you've been so stupid in the market. And you've been following everybody. Everybody had something to say about trading for the last 12 months, for 24 months. And that's why today you're feeling the heat, because all of you got too greedy in 2024, 5, and all of you lost money. Not a single one of you actually made a killing. And I'm talking whether it's day trading or whether it's stocks. If you're still invested in stocks, you're probably now in the red, right? So learn. That's what I'm trying to say. Learn. And this is what I'm about to do. So let's go ahead and let's learn. Let's learn, guys. And let's learn and earn. This is 1 to 200 leverage, 1 to 30 leverage, but I'm a scalper. I'm not going to promise you millions, and you will certainly not make the kind of money you want to make. You're going to make pocket change. The big money comes from swing trading. And by that, I mean go to the High Net Worth Trading Club in the description. Go grab yourself a course. Go learn how things are done from real traders that have been here years, not just from the last 3 years. All right. Germany 40, gold is right here. Go to your 15 minutes. Remember what we said, every candle that looks like the candle I said, right? Boom, 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 boom. And there's a pattern forming here for gold. What's the pattern? Boom, boom, boom. This appears to be a head and shoulder on 15 minutes. So ideally, I should take a short position now. Now I'm going to go higher time frame. And it does appear like it will come down further. Okay, so I'm going to identify my resistance. Now that I identified this is selling pressure, I'm going to come here to the hourly on gold. We're going to find the candle that represents selling pressure. I'm just going to remove my Germany 40 line here. I'm going to come here to the daily. Doesn't look like there is resistance anywhere here. Actually, there it is. Beautiful. So I'm going to use the top of this as resistance. And here's the support level. And we know the market always has to test those levels. It's like an algorithm. For that reason, this is a short position. I'm going to go easy. 2 contracts on gold opened. As the moment I opened, up $50. On 2 contracts, by the way. Look, beautiful. $100 secured, just like that. We've been rolling for a few minutes. Now, I also like this looks like a double a head and shoulder we said. So let's go to Germany 40 real quick. Germany 40, same thing, guys. Looking at the candles where there's support. Here's 1, here's 2, and it bounced from it. But There's multiple. On this chart, there's multiple. The first bounce was on this first green candle. Remember what candle we said at the start of the video, by the way. So there's the bounce. So it wicked up. So Germany 40 remains, however, on a downtrend. So that remains bearish. So I can short more. And for that reason, everybody gets it. Everybody gets that sell button today. 10 contracts. I'm just going to go 10-point stop loss. It's just this is a little bit tricky because it's not pointing down yet. On 5 minutes it is, but not on higher time frame. So let's see. Gold, on the other hand, is okay. Let's go 15 minutes. Yeah, now it's pointing. Right. What I'm going to do is slap short on gold one more time. 5 contracts. And I want to do it here on the Germany 40, which is the DAX. Volatility is a little slow. I didn't open a stop loss with gold, by the way. So let me close the gold chart. But I'm not doing that because, well, 10 contracts short on Germany 40 as well. So you see sell, sell. I'm just going with the grays, right? Going with the momentum. And I'm scalping and taking my money. This is Germany 40. So I'm gonna, I don't know, should I pause this and come back to it? You see here, I do have a stop loss for Germany, not gold. Even though gold can do something from nowhere. All right, I'm gonna take $60 from Germany 40. Still down on gold. Let's see how US tech is doing. This is the NASDAQ, by the way. I'm not going to do anything with technology because it's not market open for technology, which is the NASDAQ. So we're just chilling, guys. I will pause this and I will come back. But this is a gold short position. And trading gold isn't like trading indices. Look. See this? It could be a disaster if you don't have a stop loss. So always use a stop loss. But this here, I mean, what are you going to do? Flip green? You will need to come down at least to this level before flipping green. So that gives me around 50 points drop. So a lot. So I'm going to pause this so we don't take much from the camera. And we'll come back when it's time to close. All right. I didn't have to wait long. It was only 60 seconds. And there it is. Beautiful dip, you see? So I needed one more. Gold, by the way, opening 5 contracts is like opening 50 on gold. $126 secured. And that's it. You call it a day. Trade, here's the thing. You should trade first hour of market open. Listen, scalping comes second nature to me. But I can't do it at this stage because I have a lot of responsibilities. I trade with multi-million dollar positions. And I certainly do not need 100, 500 a day, guys. But if you need that and you want to make that, I will do it. I will teach you how to do it. Smash that like button so that more videos like this get recommended to you. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Peace and love as always.